Hello guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube, and today I'll be showing you how to create a JavaScript matrix from an array. The matrix in JavaScript, just like the number I'm having here, can be likened to be a number being kind of arranged in rows and column. And one of the simplest way to achieve this in JavaScript is by creating a bigger array, having a nested array within, just like what I'm having here. I have a bigger array in here that is having within it nested three other array. This can be likened to be a, a multi-dimensional array. So it's usually have the concept of rows and column. Since we already have the the column already shown there. I quickly want to show in the rows of the query array. Okay. All right, good. So this is the easiest way to view this. So we can liken this to be the position of the first item, which would be of the index 0 row and 0 column. This will be the index 0 rows, and this will be the one column or the second position, and it goes on and on like that. So quickly I will go to the VS Code editor and see how we implement this. Now, in order to get a matrix, which is an array having a nested array within, you definitely have to make use of a nested for loop. So quickly I'll create a function and I'll call it matrix from array. So this is actually going to take in some array input, put it that way, and the body of my function goes in here. So this is actually some kind of intelligence I'm having on my screen. So that, let me quickly disable that globally so I can walk you through it and you can understand the concept behind it. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to define how we want the output of our array to be. Do we want it to be a 3 by 3 array or 4 by 4? Or in this case, I'm actually going to make it a 3 by 3 matrix. So it's going to be a bigger matrix having other three other arrays inside of it. So so just as I've mentioned earlier on, so I'm liking this to be this is the bigger array having a 3 nested array within it, and I can have I can declare a counter that will count the index of the position of the element in the array for me, and while looping it will place them instead of the position of those various elements in the matrix. So let me have that as my counter, and let it start from 0 because I already have 0 indexing. So this will be counting the position, and I will pick the item in the position and put it in my array. So now the first for loop, let me have a for loop. So let I equal 0 and I should be less than 3, which is the length of my row, and I'll keep incrementing letter I. Okay, now within my rows, I can then have my columns. I'll be having this is a square matrix, so it's still going to be. Let me make use of J this time around for let J equals 0 and J less than 3, which is the maximum length of my row also, and then I'll increment the value of J, and then this will carry the body. This is where I'll be inserting the item into my output array. Now this is what I'll say. I'll say output I J will take in the value of my array input index counter. And then after that, I can go ahead and increment my counter. And so when the first item is being imputed, counter will increase it to go to the next item in the array, and another element will be imputed in the next position of my array. And after that has been done, since this is a function, I need to return my output. So this function can be called upon and it can be tested with various input elements. So that is basically it. Quickly, let me get my counter function, my array formatter matrix from array, and then passing a variable of numbers, number array 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is it. Quickly, I'll print that on my console so we'll get to see the output of that. Okay, so that is the output of the function, and that is how basically you create a square matrix from an input array using JavaScript. Thank you for watching, and do feel free to subscribe, share, like, and comment on the video. Thank you, and see you next time.